Hello everyone, this is Karthik Selvaraj, and in this video 4 of WebSphere Data Power Entry Questions, we will be seeing about the different types of certificate folders that are available in Data Power Appliance. So as you can see in this screenshot, we have three folders in which the certificates will be stored in a Data Power Appliance. So the first one is cert folder, which is in the top, and if you go little bit further down, you can see there is another folder by the name pubcert, and below that you can see another folder by the name shared cert. I'll go to the next slide. So this screenshot shows the certificates that are available under the pubcert certificate. So to know about the difference between what is the effect of having the certificate in these folders, we will be going through each one by one. So pubcert. So in this folder, we will be having the common certificates that is be commonly used in a web browser. So to explain you more about this, I will show you an example. So in Chrome browser, if you go to settings and show advanced settings, under that you can go to manage certificates. In system routes, you can see a lot of certificates over here. So certificates are certificate authorities. So if we access some websites which are authorized by these CA stands for Certificate Authority, we will be able to access it. So you could have seen sometimes if you go to some websites, it will ask you, it is not a trusted website, do you want to trust this, and you will say yes or no, and because that is because it is not certified by any of these CAs that are listed over here. So that is the only reason. I'll show you an example. So if you go to google.com, you can click this green little lock over here. You can go to details, and now you have view certificate option over here. So you can see that now this certificate is being provided by a certificate authority called Global Trust Global. So Global Trust Global has certified that this www.google.com is an authenticated one which is being owned by Google. Okay, so you can see that that CA being listed over GeoTrust Global CA listed over here. So that's why Chrome doesn't block google.com. So it stands good for other websites also. You can go and have a look at other website certificates also. You'll know about more about this. Okay, so that is the essence of public certificates. So similarly, Data Power has these kind of certificates in this PubCert folder, and whatever you store in this folder are accessible from any domain. So you can have a number of domains in your Data Power appliance. So whatever certificates has been over here is accessible to other domains as well. Okay, so we will go to the next one, shared certificates. So in a typical Data Power development, you will be in some time encountering to make a web service which is using HTTPS or FTP flow, which needs certificates to be configured or keys. So in those things, either you can have your certificates in shared cert or cert folder. If you think that the same certificate will be used by the flows in two different domains, it is best to have your certificate in the shared cert folder, because whatever certificates you have in the shared cert folder will be accessible by any flow in any domain. It's not domain specific. Okay, but if you go to cert, it is only domain specific. So if you have a certificate or key in the fold called cert, only that particular domain services can use the certificates which are available in cert folder, and the other domain components can't use the certificates. Okay, so this is the major difference between all these three types of certificate folders that we have. So thanks for watching this. Thank you.